We're learning how to Cricut. So we have all of this different cardstock that is available to us right now. And to use it, you need to have, what color do you want to use for your?
Blue.
Okay. So, use the cardstock. You need to set it up on your mat evenly with the edge. So set it up with the edge and then just stick it on. This is a sticky mat. And you can reuse the sticky mat as long as it's still sticky. And then you bring it over to your machine. And right now we have the letter cartridge is loaded in here. We have 2 different cartridge sets. There's a letter cartridge and some pictures. And if you look on the back, you can see all of the different options. And there's actually even more options if you look inside the books that come with each one. So for example, you don't just get the snowflake, you also get the shadow of the snowflake and outlines and all kinds of other options if you want to get fancy. So you set this in here and you're going to press on the keyboard load paper. Any time that the paper is going in or out, you don't do it manually, you have to press the button. So press load paper. Oh, and it didn't stick down all the way, so I'm going to unload the paper. Make sure it's stuck down all the way. So load paper. There we go. So now it knows our paper is 12 by 12 and it's ready to cut out whatever we want to put in it. So you're going to select the font that you want to use, and we're using, this one was called Roly Poly, and it's 3 inches, which seemed like a good size. So on the keyboard you find Roly Poly and press that right there. And then you use, right now it's set at 3.5, so to change that there's a dial on this side where you go down to 3 inches, and it just indicates that on the screen. And then you type in the words that you want.
AT consideration.
Okay, so it's just like a keyboard. You have a shift button. So shift, capital A, shift, capital T, and then you don't need to put in any spaces because you're going to be pulling these off. Consideration, do you want a capital? Okay, so it says AT consideration, and that's what we want. Alright, and it's 3 inches, roly-poly, and I'm going to press the cut button. And it'll tell me if I need to use any more paper, but it doesn't look like it. And then it starts cutting out.